Just got a Xiaomi Mi Band? Let's quickly connect it to your Android phone so you can start tracking your steps, workouts, and sleep. Step 1. Download and install the Mi Fitness app or Zepp Life for older bands from the Google Play Store. Open the app and sign in with your Xiaomi account or create a new one. Step 2. Turn on your Xiaomi Mi Band and make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your Android phone. Keep the band close to your phone during the setup process. Step 3. Open the Mi Fitness or Zepp Life app and go to the Profile section. Tap Add Device to start pairing a new wearable. Step 4. Choose Band from the device list and select your specific Mi Band model. The app will start scanning for nearby devices using Bluetooth. Step 5. When your Mi Band appears on the screen, tap it to begin pairing. A confirmation message will appear on the band's display. Step 6. Tap the check mark on the Mi Band screen to confirm the connection. This allows the band and phone to pair securely. Step 7. Allow the required permissions such as Bluetooth, notifications, and activity tracking so the band can sync your fitness data properly. Step 8. Wait a moment for the first data sync to finish. After that, your steps, workouts, heart rate, and sleep tracking will automatically appear in the app. For more quick tech tutorials and simple step-by-step guides, follow the channel and save this video so you can easily come back whenever you need help.